Common issue on the Nissan Navara, fuel filter. So I'm going to replace it. Issue I'm having is cutting out on cold starts. So the engine starts absolutely fine, but it's intermittently cutting out. So today I'm going to replace it with a brand new Mann filter. So I've got all the fuel hoses to remove from the top of the filter. Just loosen the clamps. Depending on how long it's been since it's been replaced, will be how difficult the pipes are to remove. If you start by trying to wiggle them side to side, that usually frees them off enough to pull them. $10mm bolt clamping the fuel filter in place. It looks like because of the water drain, I'll have to undo the clamp fully. So because that bit's sticking out, there we go. Refit the clamp around it. Now, whether it actually helps or not, I like to put a little bit of grease or oil on the pipes, so nowhere that it can get into the system, but just hopefully it helps when you're next doing the job. So next time you have to get these pipes off, hopefully they won't be all dry and seized. in position. Tighten all the hose clamps back up. Now if we have a delivery pump, pre-delivery pump, you'll hear the fuel pump go when you cycle the ignition, and it should self-bleed. Underneath the fuel filter is a priming pump. And what we want to do is press this until you can feel that there's a solid amount of fuel in there. Perhaps there isn't a pre-delivery pump on these. The hand primer seems to have worked fine, so cycling the ignition probably won't work. Got to use that primer underneath, but start straight up after that.